We love having the attention. One example is just a couple of blocks away from here. It's a business called Fa La Lo. It's a company it's a basically small business. They sell mostly locally made products. And in fact, they found a guy who made a game that's based on presidential politics. They said, you know what? All of this stuff happening, let's go ahead and have a gaming party tonight where we'll play the game, we'll get some attention. They actually invited all of the candidates to attend, even invited President Obama to attend, not surprisingly perhaps. All of them declined, although apparently a couple of candidates said, hey, maybe we'll try and stop by later. But despite the fact that none of the candidates showed up, it does appear as if they still had a very good time.
So we thought, let's go with all of this. And then the name of his game is Commander-in-Chief, the game that elects you president. So it just seemed like a perfect opportunity, especially in New Hampshire, with all of the candidates running around this week trying to be elected president.
So there you have it, Adrian. Some folks here in Portsmouth, and you could pretty much speculate statewide, are loving it. And some people can't wait for Wednesday. But again, there's a lot of attention here. For the most part, the people of New Hampshire certainly appreciate the role that they're playing in this First in the Nation primary.
A real love-hate relationship. So what can we expect tomorrow in New Hampshire?